In every given relationship, we establish special lines of communication. We share what we want. We share our plans and vision for the future. Such is our relationship with life. As unique as this whole, it represents the foundational imprint of my research pursuit, a pursuit that is inspired by myriads of debilitating clinical cases, such as the case of Matthew, a young bright boy whose dream of becoming a professional rugby player is in doubt, diagnosed with myeloleukemia, an aggressive form of bone cancer. Matthew might soon face his mortal enemy, death. The story of Grandma Maria, who fell because her bones could no longer support her body weight and is bedridden. There are many stories like those of Matthew and Grandma Maria. Even if they are miraculously saved by doctors, their relationship with life would no longer be the same. I have been on a research journey to repair this fleeting experience using a regenerative power code that connects me to both Matthew and Grandma Maria, their body stem cells. They have this in common, and it holds the blueprint to repairing the relationship with life. To do this, I strategically developed a regenerative model using material infrastructures that are present in our body that allows the growing of these stem cells and palpate their behavior. I sequentially studied the nutritional profile of these stem cells secreted in their proteins to determine when, how long, and how far they've changed. A change that determines the nature of response to the feel, touch, sensation, and pattern of change of these stem cells as they interact with these materials. I have tested this regenerative model to regrow one of the strongest bones in our body, and I found that the stem cells not only allow the regrowing of this bone, but increase the mineral content of the bone, promote the development of new blood vessels across the bone, and of course, maintaining the natural geometry of the bone. My research pursues one of a complex regenerative mechanism to understand the factors of repair that allows the growing of new cells, but most importantly, to repair the relationship with life such that Matthew could leave a healthy body to become a rugby player, and for Grandma Maria to age with grace happily ever. Thank you very much.